Item listing report. You can generate this report from items, report, item listing. You can select items. You can select particular item. You can select range of items. If you don't select any item, system will display all items. You can select item categories. You can select a particular item category, range of item categories. And if you don't select any item category, system will display all item categories items. You can select item status, active, inactive, or both items. You can select item type, service item, physical item, or both items. You can select the price list. And if you want to view additional details, you can check this checkbox and click View Report. From here, you can view a list of items. From this report, you can view item code, item description, item category, item last cost, average cost, exclusive price, inclusive price, gross profit percentage, gross profit amount, quantity on hand, whether it's active item, whether it's physical item or service item. You can export this report to PDF, Excel, or CSV. You can print this report or email this report.